How to generate videos in TikTok Symphony Creative Studio. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Before you get started with TikTok Symphony Creative Studio, it is really important to know that TikTok Symphony Creative Studio requires a business account. So if you already have a TikTok business account, then go ahead and open Symphony Creative Studio. If not, then you can also simply create a TikTok account for business and then go ahead and sign in to Symphony Creative Studio. Once your profile setup is complete, go ahead and accept the TikTok's Creative Gen AI terms and conditions. You can then go ahead and start generating a video. So firstly, open Symphony Creative Studio and then tap on the video generation option you see there on the left side menu. Here, you can then go ahead and choose the text to video option you see there and then go ahead and enter a detailed prompt describing the video that you want. You can then go ahead and choose your available generation settings and finally tap on the generate option. You can then go ahead and simply wait for the AI to create your video clip. The video timeline might vary depending on the video clip and the duration of your video. The next method to generate a video is generate a video from an image. So open video generation again and then select the image to video option. Further, upload an image and then add a prompt describing the motion. Further, select the AI model and duration if available and then tap on the generate button you see there. And with this, your product will be generated. You can animate a product photo, scene, or graphic. You can also create AI avatar videos. So open the avatar creation section from the left side toolbar again and then choose a voiceover avatar or product avatar. You will then be required to enter your script. So enter your script and then select an avatar and voice. Now tap on the generate video option you see there, and with this your video will be generated. This is especially useful for product reviews, explainer videos, TikTok shop content, and business promotions. So this was about how you can create and generate videos in TikTok Symphony Creative Studio. You can then go ahead and tap on the export button or the download button, and with this your video that you generated will be saved to your laptop. So this was about how you can generate videos in TikTok Symphony Creative Studio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.